In 1985, I was in a very serious car accident, and I suffered a fractured pelvis and an injury to my lower back, sacroiliac joint, and I suffered many years of pain and just weakness in the back area after that. And then I had an additional injury to my neck and upper arm in 1997, and that caused headaches and a lot of shooting pain down my arm. I learned to live with it over time. I went to several physical therapy offices and had some different treatments and just learned how to cope. Unfortunately, that meant taking medications and anti-inflammatories a lot, but I just got used to it after a while. Stepped out of the shower one morning and my back completely gave out on me, and the pain was so severe that I was literally crawling on the floor. And I suffered for an entire year before coming to you and going to doctors and having multiple MRIs and EMGs done just to try to diagnose my problem. Multiple problems in the back, in the hips, neck, arm, you name it, I have it. I have carpal tunnel syndrome, I have bursitis. They diagnosed me with myofascial pain syndrome, which was sending all of my muscles into spasm. So I would always have a knot back here and a pain over here and migraine headaches that were causing nausea to the point where I'd have to sit in a dark room and not speak to anybody and not hear anything. And it was really diminishing the quality of my life. And every time I would try to exercise, I wanted to be healthy, I wanted to be fit, but I would try and I would get stuck in the pain and then I couldn't get out of it. So once I got out of it, I said, oh, I'm not going to do that again. So just go like this, cross over my body to undress myself. I had to find creative ways to get my shirt off or to reach for a plate. I'd have to wait till my husband came home. The headaches and the no sleeping really were taking the toll on me the most, I would say. After the first treatment, there was a sense of almost an anesthetic feeling that all of a sudden my pain was gone. It was a wonderful feeling. I felt euphoric, I felt, a little bit different, and I knew right there that something had happened. That night I slept for 7 hours, which was incredible because I had not had that amount of sleep probably in about 2 years, if not longer. And it was life-changing. That moment I said, is this going to continue? I had doubts in my mind. Is it going to continue? I said, maybe I just got lucky. Last night I slept good. Okay, great. Let's see how long this lasts. I wasn't sure if it would continue. And 5 months later, I'm still sleeping like a dog. I needed to have an alarm clock to wake me because if I don't, I oversleep, just like everybody else, normal people who can sleep. I'm one of them now, and I can't tell enough people about Robert and about the physical therapy doctor's office. I go around telling anyone who happens to tell me that they're in pain, I have a great guy for you. You have to go to this place. I hand out his card. I have more energy. I'm happier. I can spend more time with my daughter. She notices the difference. She said she loves that I can exercise because I couldn't exercise before, and now I'm an exercise-aholic. It only took 3 treatments.